Please show me your hands!
Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Just let it be, let it be, let it be. Give it distance, give it distance. Hey. Show us your hands!
Please show us your hands!
Show us your hands!
Please show me your hands!
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
That was close.
I didn't feel like I could get out of the way.
Yep. 3 Cascade, go ahead and send us more units, please. Vehicle is stopped up against the light pole. Driver's non-responsive. Police, show us your hands! Affirm. Can you see anything, Sean?
I can't see anything. So I'm on
Camera's on if they're not on.
It's on.
3 Cascade, stage 8. Show us your hands, man!
I'll approach from the rear. Get contact cover. I can't see anything.
If you can you light it up enough?
Over you.
Move over to me. Move over to me.
Please show us your hands!
Show us your hands!
Move in. Get off the car. Yeah. It's David Babcock. David!
He's breathing.
Show us your hands, dude! I still can't see his hands.
Yep, go ahead. I'm gonna grab gloves.
David!
Show us, David, man!
Show us your fucking hands so we can get you
wanna
some help!
man!
David! This is important! We need you to show us your hands so we can get you some help here!
Move over to the side of, move over here. I'm gonna reach in and try to drag him out.
Okay.
So we're gonna move over to that side, please. I'm gonna open the door. Here we go.
David, we're trying to help you. We need you to show us your hands.
Oh, there he goes. So get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way! Shit. George, 3 Cascade, shots fired, shots fired. Stop! Stop right there! Stop right there!
Please cover your hands!
Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Just let it be, let it be, let it be. Give it distance, give it distance. Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Show us your hands!
Please! Show my hands!
You alright? That was close.
So I get out of the way.
Yep. 3 Cascade, go ahead and send us more units, please. Vehicle is stopped up against the light pole. Driver's non-responsive. Police, show us your hands! Affirm. Can you see anything, Sean?
I can't see anything.
Camera's on if they're not on.
It's on.
3 Cascade, stage 8. Show us your hands, man!
I'll approach from the rear. Get contact cover. I can't see anything.
If you can you light it up enough?
Over you.
Move over to me, move over to me.
Please show us your hands!
Show us your hands!
Move in. Get out the car. It's David Babcock. Okay. David!
He's breathing.
Show us your hands, dude! I still can't see his hands.
Yep. Go ahead. I'm gonna grab gloves.
David!
Show us, David, man!
Show us your fucking hands!
David,
so
we
can
want to
get you
help
some
you, man!
David! This is important! We need you to show us your hands so we can get you some help!
To the side of, move over here. I'm gonna reach in and try to drag him out.
Okay.
So he's ready to move over that side, please. I'm gonna open the door. There we go.